Hey you guys, today this is my little grocery haul. It's not a long video. I just wanted to show y'all some of the extra things that I needed to pick up for my Christmas dinner. I went and got these things ahead of time because I don't want to be in the store this weekend, Christmas weekend before Christmas with everybody else clamoring over stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys few things that I picked up to complete my Christmas dinner. So I got my veggies, celery, onion, garlic, bell pepper, a couple of oranges. I got my elbow back macaroni noodles, and these are the large elbow ones. I like them best. I got a couple of boxes of cake mix for a recipe that I got, and then I'm making some string beans, and I am using some smoked turkey to put in there. I need a little more extra cheese, so I got some cheese for my macaroni, a couple more sticks of butter, and I got me some rubbed sage because you know I'm about to make me some dressing, honey. I got some cranberry sauce because I love cranberry. And y'all, I know this might be kind of controversial, but I love pumpkin pie. I actually prefer it over sweet potato pie. So I'm making a pumpkin pie. And so I got a couple of cans of pumpkin. I got some eggnog because this is going to go in a frosting that I'm going to use for my cake recipe. So you guys stay tuned for that one. And then I got some yams because of course you got to have candy yams with a holiday dinner. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all my little mini grocery haul. What are you guys cooking for Christmas? Are y'all making traditional Christmas dinner or are you making something different? Let me know down in the comments and I'll talk to you later. Bye.